Are you a content creator? If so, I'm looking for more people like you, like me. Hey, I'm Floodwater. And yeah, it's about time I finally made one of these. I'm back, but this channel isn't just about me going live and playing a game anymore. Yes, I'm still a streamer. I still love gaming, but I'm also a creator. I love tech. I love building things. I love testing new setups. I love figuring things out. So this channel is going to be the home for all of that. You're going to still see gameplay. You're going to still see live moments, but you're also going to get behind the scenes of me creating content, testing gear, trying new things, learning as I go, but I'm also going to keep you on top of what's happening in gaming. You know what I'm saying? Tech, but tinkering with things and figure out the ins and outs of things and how they work. But this is bigger than just me. You know what I'm saying? I'm also trying to build a community about creating things, about creativity, about content creation, about gaming, about tech, about people that wants to create things. So whether you're a gamer, a streamer, a tech head, you like the vibes, all that. If you like what you're seeing or what you're hearing, welcome, because we're going to build something great. I'm Floodwater, and we are just beginning.